Here we are guys, today I'm going to show you how you can make the intro and outro of your YouTube channel for free in computer. So let's get started. You just have to go into the browser and type panzoid, panzoid.com. It is the official website for making the intro and outro. You can also check the videos in the YouTube. The videos link will be in the description. Go to clip maker, so it will give you some templates. You can scroll down it and see the more templates, and you can upload your creation also, but we are doing the more creation. So for example, I am taking 3 intro. So let's take this or this. I will take this. So you just have to click on the open in clip maker. Then it will redirect you in the clip maker. You just have to wait for the 30 to 20 seconds. Then you can see that the three-dimensional image is created here. So we have to go to the basics and set the resolution as per your requirements. You can set it as a 4K, but now I am setting it as a 720p, and you can set the frame rate per second. I'm using always 30 frame per second, so that will be okay. Then the objects, you can add the objects as per your requirement. You can add a square, circle, and etc. So here I'm going to type my channel name, which is fan forever. So then you just have to click enter, and it will show here. So then you have to scroll down, just see where is the name section, text, add text. So okay, here we go. You can see the intro by touching on the eyeball section. Then it will be open. You can see that its quality is good. So then we have to go to the download section, or you can add some audio plus music with the volume sections. You just have to go to download section and start rendering the video. You don't have to change any settings. You just have to click on the start rendering option. It will take 1 to 3 minutes for rendering the video. Then for the downloading, if your net is good, then it will take 30 seconds for downloading it. So it will download in 1 minute, so we can wait for 1 minute. It is did not based on the data connection of your internet. It is rendering, not uploading or downloading anything. It's just rendering. So 37 seconds, 36 seconds, 33, 32, 31, da da da, 38, 28, 25, 24, 23, 120. So make sure you subscribe the channel, and don't forget to like this video I always make this kinds of videos, so subscribe this channel, so more videos for you. So rendering is done, so I will click on the download your video. You can close the all those tabs which are open, but it will automatically download on your browser. I'm using Chrome browser, you can use any browser. See, it is downloaded, so I will open it. Let's see. So this is very good. So I will close this tab, and I will close all the tabs. You can make outro also from this, like this 1 million and other templates. You can also